Let's start with why. Why am I standing besides this bridge? It's because I'm raising awareness for veterans who are homeless in the UK. This is an initiative by the Stealth Camping Alliance. If you want to donate, please check the link on the screen, or you can also check the link which is in the description and in my comment, and follow the link and you can do the donation, so that together we can help veterans who are homeless so that they can find homes. Or what do you say, my friend? So I was to fish here under the bridge as we have like a talk and fun stuff, but I realized you cannot fish in this area. Oh, it's not allowed. So instead we're going to find somewhere else to go and fish. Yeah, but before we go and find somewhere else to fish, let's check this area. To fish, you need a fishing card. Now let's go and find somewhere to fish. Yeah, people do leave some trash. So I found them and I'm like, let me just collect them and throw them in the dustbin. So we cannot fish here because, as you can see, this area has been designated so that the fish can swim slowly all the way around like that and down the stream to avoid being hit and, you know, having problems crossing on that area. Yeah, so that's why we cannot fish around this area. We have to find somewhere else. So around this area we might spot an otter, some kingfish, and we might even catch some fishes tonight. Yeah, so let's try and catch some fish. It's almost 7. So we need to find somewhere where we can fish. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Friends, are you seeing this? Wow, this is so beautiful. Most of the nice fishing spots I found, they were prohibited. So I had to walk around to find other places. And now I have found this really nice place, but it's dark. And I don't know if there's fish in the waters or not. Yeah, it's my first time fishing, so I don't know anything about fish. So I'm wondering if I'm going to catch any fish or not tonight. Yeah. So let's go fishing. I did not catch any fish tonight. Please donate to the homeless veterans so that they have somewhere to sleep and some food to eat. Friends, I was expecting like maybe one, maybe two, maybe three fish to pass by and I could catch them and have a really nice dinner tonight. But no fish passed by. Only this frog passed by. Can you catch this? Let me know in the comments section.